Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to talk about what is proof of work according to ChatGPT. So I'm just going to type in here, what is proof of work? What is proof? Proof of work is a consensus algorithm used to secure and validate transactions on a blockchain network and a POW system. And network participants called miners compete to solve a mathematical problem in order to add new blocks to a blockchain to earn reward. The difficulty of the problem is adjusted so that on average a new block is added to a blockchain every 10 minutes. Okay, so that's only with Bitcoin. This process consumes a significant amount of computational power, which helps to secure the network by making it costly for an attacker to take control of the majority of the network's computing power. POW is the consensus algorithm used by Bitcoin and many other blockchain networks. So that's what proof of work is. Thanks for watching.